Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So in today's lecture, that is the third lecture, I will be telling about how to create doors, windows in Revit architecture. So let me open Revit architecture. So as you all know that in my previous videos I have told about the elevations. So in the after clicking it in the north elevation, I have to first create the 3 levels. After creating the levels, then I will go to my ground level. After going to my ground level, that is the lowest level, after going there I have to create walls. So let me create walls. After clicking it in the walls, I will go for the 8-inch walls. There is only 8-inch walls present, so let me create 9-inch wall by clicking it in this one, by creating duplicate. After creating duplicate, I will click it as 9-inch. After that I'll click on edit, and after clicking it here as 9 and pressing OK. So now my 9-inch wall has been created. Now let me create 9-inch wall of before creating 9-inch before creating the wall, let me select here the constant up to what level I require. Let me select as the first floor, and let me create here as a location line as the finish space exterior, sorry, finish space interior. That is now let me create a room of 15 feet room created. Then again 15 feet inside to inside, that will be 15 feet. Then again 15 feet. Then let me do one thing, let me create in this manner a different type of room, 15 feet. Then again here 15 feet again. Let me create here 15 feet again. After that here 15 feet. Then after that let me click here and let me join it. So I hope it's clear to all of you. I have created a plan of different fashion so that I can create here various doors and various windows. Okay, now let me this is the center point of the wall. So let me create here another wall of 9-inch wall of, okay. So now let me measure here. See, measure measure along an element and measure between the two reference line, or simply you can for measuring you have to first escape or go out of the wall command by clicking escape 2 times. After that you can simply click on this line. After clicking on this line, you can check here what is the distance here showing. Though my line is though my walls the wall which I have created, their distance is 15 feet, that is from the from the interior side to the interior side, or from the inside to the inside, the distance is 15 feet. But still the distance is showing as 15 feet 9 inch, because they are showing the distance by default from center line to center line. Okay, so if I want to check the distance from the inside to the inside, I can click it in this button as well as in this button. Then they will show the inside to the inside, as well as if you click again, then they will show the distance from the outside to the outside. See, this is 16 feet 6 inch from outside to outside, but by default they will always show the distance from the inside to the inside, or from the center line to the center line. So in order to change this default setting, you have to simply go to the view. Okay, you have to simply go to the view or manage. Okay, here you have to simply go to the manage. After going to the manage, you have to click in this additional settings. I hope it's clear to all of you, it's visible to all of you clearly. You have to go to the manage and you have to go to the additional settings. There you have to click it, and you have to click it in this temporary dimensions. This is the temporary dimensions. Click it here and mark as the, see, because here the temporary directions dimensions measure from the center line, so you have to click it on the faces. And also the doors and windows, their dimension will be shown from not from the center line, also from the openings I want it. After clicking on these two dimensions, now they will show you the dimensions always from the face to the face. Now simply click in this wall. See, as you can see here, now they will show the dimensions by default from the inside to the inside or from the face to the face. You can also even click in this line and they will show you the dimension, okay, that is from the inside to the inside. That is from this line to this line, the dimension is 14 feet 3 inches. I can click it here as 15. So now the dimension has been changed from 15 to 15 from inside to inside. Sorry, here it's again undo it, Control Z, because as I want the dimension from the inside to the inside, but here though this one is from the inside, but here the dimension is up to outside. So simply click it here, again from up to here. See, now it's showing inside to the inside dimension as 15 each. It's okay, our dimension is perfect. Again, see, this one is the temporary. As soon as you will select here, they will show the temporary dimensions here. As soon as you select here, they will show the temporary dimensions here. As soon as you select this line, they will show the temporary direction on both the sides. Okay. After that, as you can see here, this is the temporary dimensions from the face to the exterior face. So in order to change this one, click it here to show it from the interior face. After that, in order to make these temporary dimensions permanent, simply you need to click it here. As you can see here, make these temporary dimensions permanent. So click it here, the dimension will become permanent. Simply in order to make this dimension permanent, you have to simply click it here. It will make it a permanent. So this is how we can make the permanent directions, temporary dimensions permanent, or else you can simply go to the annotate as I have shown in the previous videos by going to the linear and clicking it from here to the here, inside to inside dimension. Okay. So this is how we can even make the temporary dimensions permanent. Now you can lock it. Okay. After that, simply press the escape button. Now our aim is to create windows and doors and ventilations. So let me now go to the architecture tab. In the architecture tab, I will go to the door for placing the doors. Now after going to the doors, I will as I can see here, there are various type of doors here. Flash doors are, single flash doors are present. Those are having the size of 30 feet 30 inches by 80 inches. 80 inches is the height and 30 inches is the width. So there are various doors. So let me place here 3 feet door by 80, that is 36 inch by 80 inch doors. So let me suppose I will place the door here. Let me place the door here, and as you can see here, the distance, at what distances I want to place it. So as you can check it here, 2 feet, 2 feet, then 1 6, 2 2 6, then 3 4 6. Okay, as you can see here, the distance also. Or else if you want to flip the door, as it's written here, space bar to flip the door. So as soon as I will place click on the space bar, the door will flip. Now I will place the door here by simply pressing the space bar and changing the or by flipping the door. Let me place the door at a half that is half inch from the wall. After that, let me place again another door in this wall. Okay, and even after placing the door, simply click in the workspace and press cancel, or you can simply press the escape button twice. After that, I need to press it twice, the cancel button. After that, if you click on this door and if you want to flip the door, you can simply click this button the door will move from the inside to the outside. See, from the inside opening to the outside opening, or you can click this button in order to flip the door. This is how we can flip the door after even placing the door. Okay, now suppose let me select one door, and if I want to, suppose this is the door, I have selected this door. After selecting this door, if I want to change the door, then I can even give the other dimensions. Okay, the door has now changed from different size to different size. After that, even I can show you the 3D of the view of this door. As I placed it in the outside, let me place some other doors. Let me go it here and place some other doors, such as if the doors are not present here, such as other doors are not present here. So what you can do is, in order to see other type of doors, you can simply click on the door. You can also, sometimes they will tell you to save the project. This prompt menu will appear sometimes. You can either cancel it. After that, you need to click in this load families. In this load family, see, as you can see here, there are various families. See, in the Revit file, libraries are there. Then US empirical, empiricals means in foot and inches. Then go hit here, then there will be doors. Simply click in C and go to the door. See, as you can see here, this is the door. I can even place some different type of door. So let me provide here the curtain double curtain wall double glass. This is curtain wall double storefront. Let me select these 3 doors. After that, click on open. See, now it's loading, because those doors will get some of all finally you have selected cannot be loaded. So you must choose family files or the category do you want to retrieve. Yes, do it as yes, or click it and cancel. Now let me see it here. See, none of the doors have been appeared. So what you need to do is, if it doesn't work from here, then you have to go to the architecture. Now you have to go from architecture. In architecture no function is there. Simply you need to go to the manage, add in or view. After that, you need to go to the insert. Yeah, you need to go to the insert, and after going to the insert, there is the family, load family. You need to click in this load family. After that, do one thing, simply click on all the doors you want to edit here by selecting the control button and click it. After that, click on open. And now click on OK. After that, all the families will now get loaded. Just wait for some moment till all the families will get added. So those files. So now you can see here the various type of doors, like door, single, flash panel, door acting, door opening. See, these are the various doors I have added just now. Even you can go it here and you can see the different type of door, like door, double glass. So in this manner you can go to the load family and you can select a different type of door. So let me now click in the different door, such as I can provide door, even this simple door opening I can provide here. Let me provide here door opening, and even I can provide here the door opening. Let me provide here the door opening. Okay, so I have provided here the door opening. And what is the sill height here? The sill height here is 0 feet, that is from the bottom the door opening will appear. I will show you in the 3D view what does this means. Even you can edit it here. You can edit here and you can change the, you can go to the duplicate, and after that you can even change the dimension, that is width then rough height is 6 feet 8 inches and its width is 2 feet 6 inches. Even you can change this, okay, in order to change the shape of the door, opening. After that, even you can provide different door. Let me provide another door. Just simply go it here and provide it as another door. Let me again go to the load families and go to the residential and select another door. This is the door, exterior door. Let me click it here and click on open. After that, you need to click it here. What is the size I require? That is width is 6 feet by 7 feet height. Let me click it here and click on OK. After that, this is the door. Even I can edit it here in order to change each shape to the customized size. After that, I can place this door in this manner. Suppose I need to provide the door at the entrance of the building, then I can even provide, as you can see here, at same distance from the left hand side and right hand, that is at the center. I have provided the door, and the door will open in the inside portion. Click it here. This is the door I have provided. Now in the similar manner, I can provide different door. Let me provide another door at the back side. See, 4 feet 5 inch. This is the door which I have provided at the center. In this manner, I can provide different doors. Now let me view in the 3D. For that, you have to click it here, default the 3D view. So let me go to the 3D view and check what are the doors which I have provided here. And now you need to go to the realistic view and you can check it. See, as I can see it here, the 3D view of the building. See, this is the door which I have provided here. Now even these are the two doors. This is the one of the door and this is the another door, and whereas this is the opening which I provided here. And let me show you the different door. This is the another door which I provided at the back side. Even you can click in this door, and suppose you want to provide the door at a different sill height, then you can click it here, because the door is like it is its sill height is at the ground level. So you can even click in this door and you can provide different sill height. Suppose at 2 inch I can provide the sill height. See, now as you can see here, after providing 2 inch sill height, there is the door has now changed. Or even you can click in this door and you can click in this door and you can increase or decrease its height by selecting it here. Suppose this is the 7 feet 3 inch, you can here provide here 8 feet. See, now the door, its sill height is also changed from 7 feet to 8 feet. Up to 8 feet it has changed. This is how even you can see here the opening. You can even click in this opening and you can change this sill height to, suppose I will provide the sill height as 1 feet. See, as you can see here, now I have provided 1 feet sill height. So this is how you can even provide the doors in the houses or in the plans. Now let me again go to the ground level and provide the windows, and for that you have to click it to the architecture tab and go to the windows tab. After going to the windows tab, there are various windows provided. So now let me provide some different window. As you can see here, different type of windows are present here. Even I can provide different windows. Suppose let me provide some different window. For that, again either go to the load file here or go to the insert and load family here, and these are the various doors. Now again go to the US empirical and go to the windows. After going to the windows, as you can see here, the different windows are being present. So let me provide here different windows, such as this is the bay window. So let me provide here bay casement box window. This is the type of window, or there are various windows, like this is the bow casement window, or let me provide here the bay window. Click on open. After clicking it on open, this one will get loaded. After that you need to go to the, see, as you can see here, now you have to again click, yeah, this even you can edit it here in the same manner by first creating duplicate. You have to provide the name. Suppose I will provide this as 70 by 70. I will provide 70 by 70 its name. After that I will now change the window width as here it is 5 feet. I will provide as 7 feet. Now its height is also 5 feet. Let it height as 5 feet. After that press on OK. So this is the new window which I will be providing it here. After that let me provide the window. So as you can see here, I can provide the window. This is the window which I am providing here. So let me provide the window. Even you can see here the distance. Here I am providing it in the inside portion, as well as here I am providing it on the outside portion. Let me provide it at the center. This is the center of the wall. So this is how we can place the windows in the plan. Let me provide another door. I am providing it at the center. In the similar manner, I can even provide another window. Let me provide another window here. Let me provide here the double hung window of size 24 by 42 here at the center. Now let me provide here another window here, as well as here let me provide another window. After that let me again go to the doors portion, and in the door portion let me again go to the load family and select different type of load. Like I'll go again to the door and I will provide here the curtain door. Let me provide here the this is the door curtain wall, single glass. This is door curtain wall, double story front with mullion. Let me click on OK. Let me again go to the residential plot. This is the door exterior of let me height as 7 feet. Let me click it here, and now let me place this one here, as well as this one here. So now let me check the 3D view of the diagram. So as you can see here, this is the 3D view of the diagram. You need to press the shift button and the mouse wheel button together in order to check the 3D view. Click on cancel twice because my previous command is running. So as you can see here, this is how my plan looks like. From the north direction, it will look like realistic view. From the north direction, my house will looks in this manner. From the south direction, it will look in this manner. Again, you can click on the realistic view. In the west direction, it will look in this manner. Again, go to the realistic view, and in the east, it will look in this manner. Again, go to the realistic view. This is how we can view, or you can directly go to the 3D view here, and you can check for the full building. So I hope it's clear to all of you how to place the windows and doors in the building. Even I can change the suppose this is the window present here. Even I can click it here, and I can you need to double click it here. After double clicking it here, you can change the window. As you can see it here, this is the view of the window, or simply cancel it. Again, go to the 3D view, single click it. After single clicking it, you can check here what is the sill height. As it is provided here at 3 feet height, you can even provide it at 5 feet height. See, this is how I can even provide the windows at the different level, or I can even make the windows as the ventilator, because here the ventilator tab is not available. So I have to provide this kind of windows by reducing its height and making it as a ventilator and providing it at a bit higher offset height or seal height. Okay, so I hope it's clear to all of you. So if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it and share and like the video and press the bell icon, and thanks for watching my video.